Hi dear friends, I'm Nargis and today we will talk about transition signals and their role in IELTS. Before you start watching this video, make sure that you have subscribed to this channel to get more information about IELTS and general English. Firstly, let's start from the name of transition signals. You can call them linking words or you can call them bridge words. Actually, it doesn't matter because they all have the same meaning for IELTS, and you just need to know their difference from conjunction. They are a little bit different from conjunction because actual conjunctions join sentences, but linking devices, they mostly create meaning between the sentences, and it's very important for coherence and cohesion in writing. Transition signals are grouped according to their meaning, and we will start from the first one. This is moreover, furthermore, and in addition. You can use these transition signals when you want to add some information. For example, you have explained your argument, you have given some piece of information, some explanation to your idea, and then you want to add this information. You can use one of these transition signals like moreover, furthermore, in addition. Sometimes you can use them to separate ideas in one body paragraph. For example, you have written one idea, explained it, and now you want to add a new idea to explain it. You can use again a transition signal like furthermore or moreover or in addition. Let's read one sentence to see how you can join sentences in a paragraph with these transition signals. People prefer online education because of its flexibility. Furthermore, it helps them save time as there is no need to spend money on transportation. I add some information about online education. I add why people prefer it. Firstly, they love it because it's convenient, and secondly, I want to continue my idea. Furthermore, they like it because it can help them save their time. The next group of transition signals is about contrast. When you want to create contrast, when you want to create contradiction, you can use transition signals like however, nevertheless, and nonetheless. They are used to introduce some opposite idea. For example, let's look at this sentence. People prefer online education because of its flexibility. However, they lack the opportunity to communicate with teachers and group mates during their classes. So, I create some contradiction. Firstly, I give some positive aspect of online education, but then I give a negative aspect of online education. Positive is that they have, it's convenient, and negative is that they don't have this opportunity to communicate. The next group of transition signals is about giving the result. Therefore, thus, consequently, as a result, as a consequence. You can use these transition signals to show the result. Let's look at this example. People prefer online education because it helps them save time. They don't waste time on transport and can study at home in a comfortable environment. As a result, people can spend their time on more useful things. So here I give the result. People don't spend time on, people save their time, they don't waste time on transportation, and as a result, they have time for more useful things. With these transition signals, you can show the result of your body paragraph. They are mostly used at the end of body paragraph when you want to introduce some final result. The next group of transition signals, there are actually two of them. They are like a pair on the one hand and on the other hand. You can use these two transition signals and you can't change their structure. It's always like this, on the one hand and on the other hand. You can use them at the beginning of paragraphs to introduce some opposing meanings. For example, if you have the topic like advantages and disadvantages, like advantages and disadvantages of online education, at the beginning of advantages you can use on the one hand, at the beginning of disadvantage you can use on the other hand. The next ones are for example and for instance. We use them to show some example in our body paragraphs, and mostly they are used, traditionally they are used with these transition signals. And of course, to show our conclusion, to show the examiner that we have come to conclusion, we should use some special transition signals showing the conclusion. It's in conclusion, to conclude, and to sum up. Don't forget that transition signals should be separated with commas, because they are not conjunctions, they are not like and but. They are always separated with commas. And as they are not conjunctions, they cannot join sentences. You can't write like one sentence, comma, transition signal, and another sentence. You should separate these two sentences. In case of transition signals, you should place a semicolon between these two sentences. For example, let's look at this example. People prefer online education because of its flexibility. However, they lack the opportunity to communicate with teachers and group mates face-to-face. So here I have joined two sentences, two contradictory sentences. That's why I've placed however between them, but I have placed a semicolon before however because I don't have any conjunction to join these sentences. And one last point about transition signals: don't overuse or underuse them, because overusage can create some wordiness in your writing, and underusage can create some unclear meaning in your body paragraphs. That's why it's important to use them in not an excessive way. Well, I hope this video is helpful for you, will be helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and get more information from IELTS and General English.